It's the second button. Sorry, again, mine's in Spanish. It's more fun this way. So you can see at the bottom there that that recording button is like it's counting up now. It's actually recording what we're doing right now. And you can also see that the icon has changed. So there's that. I should have closed all my other programs, but I'm using Zoom right now to do other recording. So I get a pass. You don't. So there's that. And then, all right, the first step I want you to do just to confirm that your microphone is working is I want you to say your full name and please say your student ID number out loud. So just like however you want. Hello, this is Lawton Nichols. My student ID number is 012345567. Something like that. Okay, just so I can get that at the start of your video. And then I want you to show me the following things. All right, show me these things with your webcam, please. I want to see your cheat sheet that's completely handwritten on both sides. If you want to like zoom in your video as it's recording, you can change the size like to make your face big for a second. Just like, here is my cheat sheet. Here's all both sides of it. Hello. It's all filled in. Like make sure I can see everything. And so that's step one. And you can make your videos smaller once you're done showing me stuff so that like I need to see the rest of your screen too. So you can just keep it small the whole time if you'd like as well. So there's that. And then if you have a laptop, like pick it up, point at your desk right now. All right, show me your desk. Show me that there's nothing but your cheat sheet, scratch paper, stuff to write with, only the stuff that is required to take the test, right? Nothing else, no calculators, no multiple monitors. You'll have to unplug those, get them off your desk, okay? So if you have a laptop, that's easy, right? You just pick it up, point at your desk with your webcam built in. If you have a giant desktop, like the one I'm recording on right now, hello, then what you should do instead is take a picture. All right. Instead, for a split second, go get your phone from somewhere. You can put it away later. Go get your phone and take a picture of your entire screen. Like, step back and let me see that picture being taken. And you can go send it to me on Discord or something. All right. So that's it. If you have a heavy computer, don't lift it up. Just like use your phone. Send me a picture of your desk on Discord and make sure I can see you taking that picture. Okay. It's like show it to me. See that yourself is in that picture. Okay. And that's it. Then you're pretty much ready. If you have any questions during the test, you're completely allowed to go try to talk to me. That's the one reason you're allowed to like navigate off of this page and like open something else. Okay, that's the one exception. And then yeah, everything else is good. Like you can start the test. Click the start button for you. For me, it's preview as a teacher, but for you, it's the start button. And make sure to not stop the recording until after you've pressed submit. All right, I'll walk you through that whole process, and then you'll be ready to upload your video file on Canvas after you're done. Okay, so yeah, once you click start, for some weird reason, it shows you all these instructions all over again. So just scroll down past them because the timer's ticking. All right, so that is the, if you're taking stuff at home, instruction. So again, see how I've started the test and like you can see the timer ticking down on the right, but the instructions are still up at the top. Like keep on scrolling and I'll get to the real deal. All right, so here's like the actual test. It's a closed book test, blah, blah, blah. And like here are the questions, and let's just get some practice taking the test. So like you can confirm it's all being recorded. Your face is small enough like you can see all pieces of the test and everything. You got the time in the corner there. So off we go. What is 2 + 2? 4, just a practice test. This is a simple little test. This is not real, just for practice recording. And then the second question is good practice to like get code on the screen because you're going to be typing. You're going to be typing up code into Canvas, and you want to like make that look normal. So if you want to type like this, that's fine. It's going to add some extra spaces when you press enter and stuff like that. If you want to make it look more like Vim or like an actual program, you can change the paragraph mode to pre-formatted mode, and that will get rid of like, it'll make it like monospace and kind of like an actual program. So int main, blah, blah, blah. Unfortunately, you can't really do tab. You have to like space over to do things like cout, hello world, new line, return 0. And so there's my program. So like pre-formatted might be the way to go. It's up to you though. You can choose any option you'd like as long as I can read it and understand it. So I prefer it if you tab over a little bit though. I do like that. It's easier for me to read. But I understand when you're taking a test, that's not the first thing on your mind. So yeah, that's the test. Like once you're done or the timer expires, like the timer might expire and it'll cut you off the test. But if you finish early while the timer's still ticking, you can click submit. And only once you've clicked submit can you stop the recording. All right, then again, that's part of the instructions. Don't stop the recording until after you've submitted that test. And so now once I click stop